Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys we're gonna do yet another rinseless wash on the car. One of my favorite car washing methods, one of my favorite car cleaning solutions. Now today I'm going to combine the waterless and rinseless wash together because my rinseless wash doesn't have no wax in it, and I'm trying to do two steps in one, meaning that I don't want to wax the car after I wash the car. I want to do it in one step. So basically what it means is I'm going to spray the car with this waterless wash, just slightly cover the panel with this waterless wash from Meguiar's, and then I'm going to proceed with the rinseless wash itself. This isn't the most effective way of using the wireless wash, specifically this one. I wouldn't recommend it because it's very expensive. I think it's around 15 pounds or more, but it has a decent wax in it. It has decent lubrication, and the formulas of wireless and rinseless washes are similar. That's why you can do them both at the same time. Now, in addition to that, I got a few new products. Complete hygiene, I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, wheel car care kit from Halfords. It only cost me around 8 or 9 pounds, just under 10 pounds. What I get with it is these two foam ended brushes. You can do the inner barrel with it. You can get you can use this for the intricate areas of the wheel as well. I used it on the grills. I used it to clean the brake calipers. So it's amazing. It's like a very soft foam material. What I like about this, it releases dirt really well, and it's a good combo with the rinseless wash. Also get this tire lotion applicator pad, which is great also. What I like about it is the ergonomics. It's very good for bigger tires. It's not gonna get into really small intricate areas. There's no such thing as a perfect tire applicator, but this is very good, very comfortable to use. Yeah, it doesn't have like a plastic handle, but it's made out of foam, but nonetheless it's still very effective. Also guys, I want to share the 3 types of sponges that I've been using recently. In the video I'm going to be using this one. I've got this one, brand new one. To be honest, I just got randomly from someone and I wanted to try it out. I'm not sure. I think this might be an out of the limb sponge from the past. I don't know if they make them anymore or they have them. But anyway, the point is it's a relatively soft sponge and I'm going to be using it in the video. However, out of these 3, I would say this is so far my favorite. However, this is the softest sponge out of all 3. But when you combine this, it's actually a Suds Buds sponge. You get 2 of them. There's a bigger one that comes in the set as well. When you combine it with the rinseless wash, it becomes very soft, and it's very ergonomical. It feels very nice in your hand, and you get a decent amount of thickness here. Sponges are, I think they are very safe. There's this myth that sponges scratch all the time. With the wrong technique, anything pretty much will scratch your paint. You just have to try this out. With a decent pre-wash, pretty much anything will go, really. Let's get into the video guys. I'll show you some techniques that I use, and we'll speak about it later in the video.
So we're going to start with the body panels first, and we're going to use the remaining solution for the wheels afterwards. So I like using this rinseless method with a pre-wash or without it. As you can see here, the car isn't excessively dirty, so I just went straight with the rinseless wash without doing the pre-wash, and I can get away with it once in a while. By eliminating that rinsing stage, this washing method and this washing solution helps me to save time and keep on top of my vehicle at all times. Very effective dirt transfer from the body panels to the bottom of the bucket. That's what you gotta love about the rinseless washes. I also use a brush for the intricate areas, followed up by a leaf blower to get all that dirt out of those tight areas. Now this is an area where a pressure washer is desirable to get all the dirt and grime out. However, it wasn't too dirty, so I managed to get away with it. I'm a big fan of using the rinseless wash on the interior. Pretty much I wipe down everything from windows to fabrics, plastics, you name it. And it's very effective, and it's a one chemical for all. So thank you everyone for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.